9 tips every street photographer must know. Your camera is your eye. Great photos appear when you least expect them. Great street photographers are like ghosts. To see but not be seen is the secret. Just look, compose, and shoot. Crowded areas could block you. Instead, take a walk to the outskirts. There are also great photos outside the crowd. We open with the aperture. If the light is good enough, choose this one. But if the light gets lower, try this one. Chasing the moment. It's all about speed. For long exposure, choose this. Short exposure? That's what you need. Lens. Tell me for what, and I'll tell you which ones. It will be a portrait, or maybe it will be a landscape. Shooting an auto lens lets you focus on composition. You can't control all the buttons, unless you're an octopus. The best antidote for people's curiosity is your portfolio. The best explanation is to show your work on your Instagram account or your website. Don't panic on bad photo days. Even the best photographer has a bad day. Don't feel sad. Enjoy the process. And now, what are you waiting for? Take your camera and move.